Hello, welcome back for lesson number 47. I put a title called Counterbore. Today we're going to cut the counterbore at the four corners with end mill. Yes, you are correct. We are using end mill. We're not going to use a drill and then flat bottom it. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. As usual, we need to open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous lesson. We have completed to drill the 4 hole. We're going to use the spiral to create 4 profiles, and we're going to use an end mill to cut. We create profile and OK. Select the first one, change to inside, and then we continue to add profile. We have to do it one by one. Click OK again, inside, profile, go for the second, and now is the third one. Click OK, inside, add profile for the last one. Click OK, inside, we click OK. This complete the profile creation. We select the same tool, D8 flat end mill final. We change the parameter by right mouse click, edit. Change the frame to G54. RPM and feed rate update. The top is the surface. We need to tilt the part to locate the bottom, which is the counterbore depth. Base only. Do not need a finishing cut. We're going to cut to size with the 2. Engage is going to be 2 and 2. We do not need any retract. Change the color. Calculate. Looks good. This is what we're going to expect. Let us go for the verified. We can see Z minus 10.8 after we set the G54. Click OK. Let us go into the solid verified. Click OK for solid verified. Looks good. Let us do an analysis. Seems like the material is all cut out to the finished size. Looks good. Save the file. And let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click, collapse it on the previous operation, go for spiral, create, profile, OK. Select the first one, click OK. Change side is going to be inside, add profile, this one, OK. Inside, add profile again for the third one, this one, OK. Inside, add the last one, this one, OK. Set for inside. OK, we have complete the creation of the profile. Select the D8 flat end mill final. Right mouse click, update the parameters. Set the frame to G54. RPM no change, feed rate is 225. Top is gonna be the surface. Bottom, we need to tilt the part for the bottom. Yes, this one is only the base. We do not need any finishing for the side. This one is 2. This one is 2. We do not need any retract. Display, change the color. Calculate. Looks good. Let us verify. Change the frame to G54. Drag the 2. You can see that Z is minus 10.8, which is the depth of the counterbore. OK. Let us go into the solid verify. Set the speed. Play. You can see the 2 is doing the cutting. Yes, looks good. Let us do a analysis. You can see that all the counterbore is good. This one as well. Go for this. And the last one. and everything looks good. We still have balance 2 holes to cut. Okay, close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We still have 2 more tab holes to complete the part, and then we will perform a enhancement for the finishing. We will see you again at the next lesson. Bye bye.